Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. But anyway, we want to make you a Sunday morning drink. Bright and early. Are you going to church tomorrow morning? What are you going to do Sunday? You want to wake up in the morning and make yourself a nice, lovely, healthy drink? Or you want to do some exercise in the morning? You want to go to the gym first? Or you might have to pick up your cell phone the first thing in the morning. What you want to do the first thing tomorrow morning? Anyway, write it below after the drink. Okay. Anyway, we want to make you a Sunday morning drink. And the Sunday morning drink is, guys, we want you to stay healthy and look healthy. And, you know what I mean? Fresh and spring, like a fresh rose from the garden. Beautiful, healthy drink. A lot of people like spinach, and a lot of people like banana, and a lot of people like honey. So today we want to give you that drink for Sunday morning breakfast. Or tomorrow morning you might say, oh, I might eat some bacon, or you might eat some sandwich or something. No, tomorrow morning you want to get up and make yourself a lovely, healthy drink with some banana and spinach. If you don't have those things, you need to get to the shop. No. Alright? Anyway, that's the drink what we're going to make for Sunday morning. The guys that going to be the next day, which is Sunday morning. This is the drink. Spinach and banana and honey. It's very simple and very cheap. Nothing expensive. Okay? So that's the drink what you're going to make. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you and for your family. Hopefully you like the recipe. Leave your comments. It's an amazing recipe, guys, and we always try our best. We are a team working together to give you the best drink. Sunday morning drink is gonna be spinach, banana, and honey. I said it about 5 times already, but that's fine. Basically, don't forget one thing: for donate to the channel, which is gonna come out very soon. We got a strudel which we're working on, Chef Ricardo strudel, and it's gonna be amazing, guys. You know, you never know, you can come and taste my cooking. I cook for you. So there's a lot of things in the pipeline. Second thing, get my cookbook on Amazon, 50% off at the moment, and I know you guys will love it. So thank you so much for watching the cooking show as we make you Sunday morning drink. Today we're gonna make you Sunday morning drink. I know you guys gonna love this drink because what I want to say to you, the reason why banana is cheap and spinach is cheap. Baby, this is a baby spinach and it's very cheap. You can get worth about 500 grams for about probably £1. Banana probably a little bit more, but on honey. But spinach very cheap, guys, and it's very healthy. You know what I mean? And a lot of people do smoke, and a lot of people do gambling, and a lot of people do lots of stuff. So it's nothing for us if you can spend about £3 right here to make yourself a little bit more healthy. So that's what we are about: healthy drink and healthy recipe. Stay tuned in with this healthy recipe thing right here. So basically today we want to show you how to make yourself a lovely healthy drink. By simple, what we're gonna do, this is a spinach and this is a banana. We're gonna take up roughly a handful of spinach. Make sure you wash off your spinach them and look for anyone which is funny inside of it. So I'm gonna pop roughly a handful of spinach straight inside of my smoothie blender like this. Alright? Basically I wanna simply say to you, if you have one of those Ninja Art IQ blender, very brilliant to use with. Second thing, I got a few pieces of ice which I'm gonna put straight inside of it like this. And also, 1 finger of ripe banana. If you have a double ripe banana, even better. More flavor. Break it into pieces and put it straight inside of the smoothie blender like this. Second thing, honey goes really well with banana also too. So we're going to roughly put about 2 tablespoons of honey, roughly 3 tablespoons of honey inside of it. Second thing, we're going to pop roughly 1/4 cups of water inside of it like this. Wow, I lied. This is a little bit too much water, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour back a little bit of the water out of it, just like that. Alright? 1/4 cups of water. You don't want to put too much water to spoil it. So what you're gonna do, simple, cover your, make sure if you have one of these high Q blender, make sure you always cover it good because you don't want it to leak. So give it a shake down like this and see, that's pretty good. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to blend this for about 3 to 4 seconds, not long, alright? Beautiful, really nice. So now this is finished. Basically, give it a shake like this, as you can see. Really nice, as you can see, look at that. Really nice, guys. Really, really, really nice and fantastic. Now we're gonna pour straight inside of a glass like this. You can see 1 glass. That's it. I don't know if you see exactly what happened a while ago when I'm pouring it inside of the glass. As you can see, the bubble and all these things on the top because of the banana. Banana is really good for you, but to be honest, guys, never you eat too much banana. But as you can see, the banana and the spinach work really well with the honey, and honey goes really well with banana. So hopefully guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. As you can see, the spinach, man, is just beautiful, really nice and fantastic. Spinach not expensive, spinach is very cheap, and hopefully you will love the recipe. So thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more healthy recipe coming out for you, spinach, and also a lot more drink, guys. A lot more drink gonna be coming for you. I love spinach, and if you notice on my YouTube channel, I got a lot of drink with spinach. It's a beautiful drink, a lot of drink with also banana. So guys, thank you so much, and this is for Sunday morning drink. In the morning, before you do anything, before you start to eat your sandwich, bacon and all these things, you know what I mean? Too much bacon not good for you. As I said, bacon, you know what I mean, like have a lot of chemical. I know I cook with bacon, but you cannot eat too much of these things because it will lead to cancer, your diabetes and all these things. So you have to be careful. Stay healthy. Never go wrong with healthy drink, healthy recipe, which is good for you. Stay tuned as we come with a lot more recipe for you guys. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show, and don't forget to donate. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.